good distance. So strong. Effective. Fire hit. Damage. Burned metal. Stop work. Needs repair. Garage. Garage. Move slow. Secure. Welding ready. Safety first. Fixing frame. Steady. Almost done. Good line. Solid. Ready to paint. Purple color. Correct. Smooth. Even coat. Finished. Clean work. Ready again. Go. Go. Mission done. Perfect. Rolling, rolling. Big damage. Big damage. Very big. To the garage. Yes. So big. We can fix it. Cool machine. Ready. Piece by piece. All gone. Good. Up it goes. Careful. New drum. Strong. Locked. Done. Working time. Stuck. Big problem. Big problem.
Small fix.
So strong. Too strong. Hold tight. Careful. Garage magic. Yes. Right. Not there. Not there. Now? Now.
Ache?
Dry. Wow! Good! Yay! Easy! Perfect! Happy! Bye-bye! Good work! Driving time! I can't move! Smoke!
Too much.
Ouch! Ow! Slow! Follow me! Okay. Garage time! Some. Yes!
It's dark.
Light here. I'm dirty! Funny. This one? No. No smoke. Good. All done. Test time. I feel great. Yay! Bye-bye. Good job.
A quiet workday begins in the familiar garage. The space is silent. Everything is ready. The truck appears to be in a state of fatigue. The work awaits.
The mud and scratches tell the story of the truck's long journey. Every detail needs to be considered.
Inspection begins with the lowest parts. Caution is always paramount.
Inside the engine is the heart of the car. Every problem leaves a trace.
The car is raised. The repair work officially begins.
Each part is removed in order. No need to rush. Cleaning helps to see the problem clearly. Each detail gradually comes to light.
The new parts have been carefully selected. Everything is ready. Power is restored step by step. Precision is essential.
Every connection must be secure. No mistakes allowed.
The car is gradually regaining its original shape. Everything is going according to plan.
The car is back on the floor. An important step is complete.
Checking is essential. Peace of mind comes from carefulness.
The job is almost complete. Everything is ready for testing.
The car begins to move. The changes are clearly felt.
All movements become stable. Balance has returned.
The test is over. The results are as expected. Another job done. Hard work pays off.
The car is ready for a new journey. Everything begins with dedication.
So dirty. Very dirty. I need a wash. Careful. I got it. Too fast. Better, better. Ha! Yes, yes. Whoa! Slow. Happy car. Funny.
I can't see.
Again? You! Nice! So clean! Wow! Hey! Strong wind. And hey! Super shiny! Shiny! Perfect!
Thank you. Bye.
Clean mission! Done!